In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make header transparent in Wix Studio. To begin, go to the top of your canvas and click on the header container. This is the area that holds your site navigation and usually stays consistent across your pages. Once the header is selected, click the three dots on the element menu and choose Edit Master. This is important because the header is often set as a master element, which means any changes you make here can apply across your site. After that, move over to the right-hand inspector panel. In the inspector, open the Design tab. Here, look for the background color setting. Once you find it, adjust the opacity slider all the way down to 0%. This makes the header background fully transparent so the content or image underneath it can show through. If your header still seems visible, make sure you are changing the background itself and not another design layer inside the header. Next, stay in the inspector panel and switch to the Layout tab. In this section, find the position setting. By default, this may be set to default. Change it to either sticky or pinned, depending on how you want the header to behave while visitors move through the page. Sticky is useful if you want the header to remain visible as someone scrolls, while pinned can help keep it fixed in a more constant position. Either option can work, so choose the one that best fits the effect you want on your site. Now that the header is transparent, you need the section below it to move up underneath the header. To do that, click the page section directly below the header. Then go back to the inspector panel and apply a negative top margin. The value you use should match the height of your header. This is what pulls the section upward so it sits behind the transparent header instead of starting below it. This final adjustment is what creates that clean overlay effect. It makes the top of the page feel more modern and allows banners, images, or hero sections to appear seamlessly behind the header. As a quick tip, preview the page after making these changes to make sure the spacing looks correct on your layout. If needed, you can fine-tune the margin slightly so everything lines up neatly. That covers everything you need to know.